Master the art of meeting notes. Effective meeting notes are more than just a record of what was said. They're a dynamic tool for keeping teams aligned, capturing key decisions, and turning discussions into actionable outcomes. Well-structured notes ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities, deadlines, and even a few next steps, reducing confusion and even follow-up emails. When done consistently, they become a central reference point for project progress, accountability, and even team memory. To get the most out of meeting notes, focus on clarity and brevity. Highlight decisions, assign owners to tasks, and even summarize action items at the end. Digital tools like collaborative docs or even project management platforms can make notes accessible to all team members in real time, improving transparency and follow-through. The power of effective meeting notes. Taking effective notes during meetings is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining clarity and keeping the team on track, especially in a world where nearly half of knowledge workers operate remotely. Studies show that people forget a significant portion of information shared in meetings almost immediately due to the well-documented forgetting curve. Well-organized, digestible notes ensure that important points, decisions, and even action items don't get lost in the shuffle. Unlike formal minutes, meeting notes are dynamic and adaptable, designed to flow with participants' daily workflows. They capture the essential who, what, and when of the discussion, providing a framework for follow-up and enabling absent team members to stay aligned. Notes should be concise, actionable, and written in a way that makes sense for both the note-taker and the team. Turning notes into action. Effective meeting notes aren't just a record, they're a productivity tool. When crafted thoughtfully, they reduce miscommunication, clarify responsibilities, and hold team members accountable for their tasks. By making meeting notes a central part of your workflow, you transform meetings from temporary discussions into actionable steps that drive true results. Over time, a habit of taking clear, structured notes can boost team efficiency, collaboration, and even overall performance. Rising to Be, with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/risingtobe or become a channel member for exclusive videos and more. Visit risingtobe.com for all your planner and stationery needs. Only at risingtobe.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Prepare to capture. The secret to effective note-taking. Successful note-taking begins long before the first word is spoken in a meeting. Preparation is key. Understand not just the agenda, but the deeper objectives behind the discussion. This allows you to focus on what truly matters and separates signal from noise. Structuring your notes using techniques like the Cornell Method, mind mapping, or even bullet journaling can make them more actionable, but the best method is the one that aligns with your personal learning style and cognitive preferences. Note-taking is far more critical to virtual meetings than any flashy software or camera setup. Well-captured notes preserve not only your individual memory, but also the organization's collective knowledge. Encouraging strong note-taking habits across your team ensures insights, decisions, and action items aren't lost in the chaos of back-to-back meetings. Digital tools like AnyDo, Notion, or even Obsidian can further streamline this process, helping your notes stay organized, searchable, and actionable. Aspect meeting notes. Meeting minutes form. Meeting minutes form. Informal. Personalized formal. Standardized purpose. Aid memory and productivity. Legal record of meeting. Audience participants and even absentees. Internal and external stakeholders. Content, main points, decisions, and even a few tasks. Complete record of discussions and actions. Preparation required, high understanding of agenda and objectives. Follows agenda closely. Make notes work for you and your team. Effective note-taking isn't just about writing down what's said. It's about turning those notes into action. Highlight key decisions, assign responsibilities, and track follow-ups directly in your notes. By doing so, your team moves from passive listening to active execution, turning meetings from information dumps to productivity drivers. Over time, disciplined note-taking builds a culture of clarity, accountability, and shared understanding that keeps projects moving smoothly. Key elements to include in effective meeting notes. Efficient meeting notes go beyond simply jotting down what was said. They capture the essence of discussion, assign accountability, and create a reference of future action. Start your notes with a brief overview of the agenda to provide context and a clear framework for both attendees and absentees. Summarize each agenda item and highlight the key points, guiding the next level of actions and discussions. Action items are the heartbeat of productive meeting notes. Clearly note what needs to be done, who is responsible, and when it's due. This simple step reinforces accountability and ensures the meeting translates into tangible progress. Don't forget to capture team ideas. They're often the spark of innovation and future development beyond the meeting itself. Documenting key questions, answers, and even decisions along with the reasoning behind them allows for your team to make informed decisions and plan effectively. As Professor Yoshi Ojima from University of Tokyo notes, the physical act of writing activates areas of the brain involved in memory, reinforcing that well-documented notes improve retention and even understanding. Key element importance. Example agenda overview. Provides structure and sets the tone for the meeting. Lists the main topics and their intended outcomes. Key points summarizes discussions and even decisions for easy reference. Highlight conclusions on major topics discussed. Action items. Clearly defines tasks, assigns responsibility, and sets deadlines. John to complete the report by Friday. Team ideas. Captures creativity and fosters future innovation. Note down brainstorming results and new suggestions. Decision context offers insight into why decisions were made and outlines next steps. Document influencing factors and follow-up actions. Finally, remember that effective meeting notes are more than a record. They are a true productivity tool. When structured and detailed properly, they help teams stay aligned, foster collaboration, and provide clarity that drives true outcomes. With consistent practice and the right approach, your meeting notes can become one of your team's most powerful productivity assets. Exploring different types of meeting notes. For professionals who attend frequent meetings, the ability to take effective notes can make the difference between confusion and even clarity. Yet many people have never been taught how to take notes effectively. Understanding different note-taking methods allows you to find a style that works for you and ensures that essential information is captured consistently. Cornell Method. The Cornell note-taking method divides your pages into 3 sections: cues, notes, and even a summary. This structure enhances review efficiency, helping you link key topics with detailed explanations and reflections. It's ideal for those who prefer a linear, organized approach. Quadrant Method. This method splits your note-taking space into 4 quadrants, typically assigned to questions, ideas, and even personal tasks, and assigned tasks. It encourages prioritization, making it easier to manage multiple aspects of a project or even meeting simultaneously. For example, during a project kickoff, you could track client questions, team ideas, personal responsibilities, and assigned tasks all on one page. Mind Mapping Method. For visually oriented or even creative thinkers, mind mapping allows you to capture ideas in a dynamic, non-linear format by graphically representing relationships between concepts. It supports organic brainstorming and helps to synthesize complex discussions into an overarching visual framework. Research shows that effective note-taking can boost brain activity and improve retention, making meetings more impactful and productive. Choosing the method that aligns with your thinking style transforms meetings from monotonous routines into purposeful, actionable sessions. By adopting the right approach, you ensure your notes not only record information, but also drive collaboration and team efficiency. Note-taking method. Structure your benefits. Cornell Method cues, notes, summary. Supports organized, linear note-taking. It improves review efficiency. Quadrant Method. Questions, ideas, personal tasks. Assigned task encourages prioritization, manages multiple aspects of a meeting or even a project. Mind Mapping Method. Visual diagram connecting topics. It facilitates creative brainstorming. It synthesizes complex discussions. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me, and I didn't have the heart to let him down. Abraham Lincoln. I just want to take a quick moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/riseandab or become a channel member today. Thanks again for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or in your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode.